Airbnb serviced accommodation is a fantastic way to earn passive income and achieve financial freedom in 2024. Yet every day I speak to a lot of people who are trying Airbnb serviced accommodation strategy but haven't made a single penny in profit out of it. When I look into their operations and I review their listings, I notice the same mistakes which people keep doing over and over all the time. In this video, I'll cover the top 3 mistakes I see frequently and provide you with immediate solutions to fix them right now. This will help you start making your passive income through Airbnb business, which is obviously the top cash flow strategy in the UK right now. The first mistake I see is that people don't know their target market. They are optimizing their listings the wrong way. There are 2 different types of guests. You get contractor guests who come to do work in a particular area. These could be your builders, truck drivers, all these things. Or you get holiday makers, people coming to see the area. I see a lot of people crossing these 2 guest profiles together. If you have a property and you want to attract holiday makers, optimize it to fit holiday makers. If you have a property you want to attract contractors, make sure you optimize it to fit contractors. To address this, consider researching and knowing your target market very, very well. You can do this using platforms like Airbnb, AirDNA, Booking.com, and some dynamic pricing tools have got good information on research. The second mistake people are making is having poor designs in their listings. Gone are the days where you could get a booking from having furniture from a charity shop or a basic bed, wardrobe, and just having a dingy looking place and expect a booking from it. To address this, you can hire an interior designer to help you with your designs which will suit your target market. For my properties, my business partner, who's also my wife, has done an interior design course. So all our designs are top notch and we attract both holiday makers and contractors. The third mistake most people make is not keeping your bottom line expenses low. So people are paying too much for cleaners, for maintenance team, and other unnecessary expenses because they haven't optimized their business very well. I actually did a video on how to avoid this, and more videos are in my school community to address this. But one tip which I will give you on this is don't pay your cleaners on an hourly rate, but pay them a fixed price per clean. I wanted to keep this video very short, hence I mentioned top 3 tips. But there are many more mistakes which people make. For example, not having proper systems in place for their business, not maintaining good relationships with landlords, lettings agents. That's a very big mistake. If you want to start and scale your Airbnb business to avoid these mistakes which a lot of people are making, and you want to do this the right way, you can click on the link in the description and book a call with me. I will be on this other side to personally have a call with you so you can avoid making these mistakes in your business, or if you're starting out, so you start out the right way.